So, Taft National High School offers the Technical Vocational Livelihood or TVL track, specialization in computer systems, information and communications technology or ICT strand, with a specialization in computer system servicing or CSS. So, before the pandemic, Taft National High School had a history of success rates in the CSS NC2 assessment with more than 90% passing rate. However, post-pandemic, the passing rate dropped to 56%. This drop has prompted questions about the readiness of the grade 12 students in the CSS NC2 assessment. Hence, this study was conducted. The CSS NC2 assessment is crucial as the National Certificate 2 can be used for employment and proves that the CSS students are competent in the field of computer system servicing. With the help of the Joint Delivery Voucher Program or JDVP of the Department of Education, which aims to provide quality education opportunities to Filipino students. Taft National High School is fortunate to be one of the beneficiaries of this program. The JDVP seeks to address the issue of limited public schools capacity and improve the success of Filipino students in obtaining quality senior high school education, which includes assessing students' readiness, which is crucial.
The research design that we used was quantitative, specifically the descriptive survey approach. The participants were 106 grade 12 students of Taft National High School. The tool used was adopted from the study by Bulawan et al. In 2023. For our data collection, we secured permission from the proper authorities, as well as ensured compliance with data privacy law. To analyze the data, we used frequency count and percentage, weighting mean, and analysis of variance.
In this study, the majority of grade 12 students were 18 to 20 and predominantly male, and moderately to highly prepared for the NC2 assessment, particularly in hardware and network tasks.
Study revealed that students excel in technical skills such as assembling and disassembling but struggle with folder redirection, with males generally more prepared. Socioeconomic status and age do not significantly impact the level of readiness. Thank you for listening for our short discussion on our study entitled